TV5 News starts right now with a breaking news alert.
Double the people, double the trouble. In April, Michigan Attorney General Bill Schuette announced criminal charges against 3 people connected to the Flint Water Crisis. This morning, 6 more people added to that list. Good afternoon. Thank you for joining us this noon. I'm Sarah Simnich, coming to you from our Genesee County studio here in downtown Flint. A little more than 3 months ago, Bill Schuette charged 2 state employees and 1 city employee for their roles in the water crisis that has spanned over the last 825 days. Today, all 6 people charged worked at the state level. The Attorney General's press conference a few moments ago just wrapped up. TV5's David Custer was there, joins us live now in Flint. David, what can you tell us?
Hi, Sarah. I actually just walked out of the Q&A portion of that press conference that is ongoing right now. But let me walk you through what we know so far. The Attorney General, Bill Schuette, says each of these individuals tried to cover up the truth. So today, Schuette is bringing 18 criminal charges, 12 felonies and 6 misdemeanors against 6 individuals from those 2 state departments that you mentioned, the MDEQ and from the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services. Now, 3 from the Department of Environmental Quality. Let's start with them. We have Leanne Schechter-Smith, Adam Rosenthal, and Patrick Cook. These 3, Schuette says, failed to follow the Safe Drinking Water Act and make sure the Flint water treatment plant stayed up and running regardless of the outcome of warning signs its operation was resulting in water poisoned with lead. These 3 are all facing charges of misconduct in office and willful neglect, both felonies. Rosenthal is also charged with tampering with evidence, accused of manipulating reports. Now let's get to the 3 from the Health and Human Services. Those employees are accused of not alerting health officials or doctors once they discovered Flint children were being poisoned with lead. Those 3 are Nancy Pueller, Robert Scott, and Corinne Miller. All 3 also facing misconduct and willful neglect charges as well as conspiracy. Now, these 3 are accused of falsifying reports and deleting emails as far back as 2014 concerning blood level data. Schuette says all those who committed crimes will be held accountable. So this brings the total now to 9 after the first round of charges back in April. Schuette says his investigation is ongoing. So far, they have interviewed 180 witnesses, and they are not done. They are a long way from done. That's what he told us today at this press conference. That is the latest. Of course, we'll bring you more information tonight on TV5 News at 5 and 6. For now, reporting live in Flint, David Custer, WNEM TV5.
Yeah, all right. Thanks a lot, David. Certainly a lot to follow yet. As we mentioned, these criminal charges are in addition to 3 others who were charged back in April. Now, Schuette charged Flint Utilities Administrator Mike Glasgow with evidence tampering and willful neglect. He pleaded no contest and will be back in court next month. MDEQ employees Stephen Bush and Mike Prisby both pleaded not guilty to a slew of charges, including misconduct in office. Now, of course, we're going to have much more on this still developing story throughout the day, on air, online, and on your mobile device. Of course, remember to check in at WNEM.com as we continue to learn more.